Today we did a workshop with the Australian Ballet.
It was really inspiring seeing those dances. One day I think I would like to do something like that.
I never done ballet before.
A lot of them are quite shy about doing anything in front of anyone. It's really tricky sometimes to engage these kids. So today, to see within the first 5 minutes, kids getting up and participating was just incredible.
It's something that doesn't really happen too often in Broome.
We unfortunately don't get as many opportunities as we'd like to, but having the Australian Ballet come is one of the probably bigger opportunities that we can get without having to travel around.
It'll help me when I'm playing footy.
I learned that your spine has lots of little bones in it. It's easier to breathe when you're up straight.
When I'm older, I would like to be a choreographer, and when they came in, it helped me learn different motifs and ways to choreograph dances.
It was very interesting to just learn about all the different jobs that were at the Australian Ballet. I didn't know they had so many things that you could do there.
This task we did, we had to make our name out of movements with our bodies. The process was actually really quick. I usually struggle with improvisation in classes, but what we did today in the workshop really helped me.
Today is going to be very exciting today because I'm going to the ballet performance at the library.
Especially part of their performance from Plain Jane that they do touring around with all the different schools.
I really enjoyed learning the different movements that the King and Plain Jane did that worked well together in the show.
By the end of the workshop, we had kids that I can barely get to say anything, even just to me sometimes, let alone to the rest of the class, up performing in front of others, which was just beautiful.
I also loved hearing their personal experiences. It made me feel really good. I kept falling over while we were spinning, but Ben said, "Don't worry, I've fallen over heaps of times."
Dancers were very helpful and they kept saying to us, keep trying and you'll get better and better.
It was really encouraging to hear that a professional dancer still makes mistakes.
Really inspirational from their journeys that they were talking about and how not just us are feeling the same thing. So we kind of connected with them.
I hope I could do this again next time.
It makes me more free and words can't really describe it.